Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini AI on your iPhone. First, you will need to download the Google app from the Apple App Store. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is updated to at least iOS 16 or newer for optimal performance. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Google account to unlock all of Gemini's powerful features and begin your AI journey. After logging in, open the Google app on your iPhone. You will easily spot the colorful Gemini icon, often found near the search bar or at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap this icon to initiate a new chat session. You can then type your questions or commands, or use the microphone button for convenient voice input, making interaction super easy. Gemini offers a wide array of powerful features right at your fingertips. You can ask it complex questions and expect detailed, comprehensive answers. It can quickly summarize lengthy articles or documents, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, Gemini is excellent at generating creative text formats, from crafting a poem to helping you write lines of code, expanding your possibilities. To get the most out of your Gemini experience, remember a few key tips. Always strive to be specific and clear in your prompts. This helps Gemini understand your intent better. Don't hesitate to experiment with various types of queries and tasks. Finally, providing feedback on your interactions helps improve Gemini's performance for everyone, making it an even more powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.